your ERP, WMS and demand planning systems were working, your team would not be sitting rebuilding your plan in Excel every Monday morning. It's not about your team, it's not about the data. It's just that these systems were built to solve generic problems, and your business is not generic. Hi, my name is Aman and I'm founder and CEO of Heizen, where we build custom AI-powered supply chain systems for CPG brands in US. Custom built, delivered in weeks, AI-powered and outcome-focused. So your incentives and my incentives are aligned from day one. Book a 30 minutes call with us and we will deploy AI-native engineers who will understand your entire business and operations in just a week and build tailor-made demo to showcase how your supply chain systems could look like. Something real you could put in front of your team. So if you're rebuilding your plans in Excel, there's nothing to lose. Reach out to us and we'll help you solve it. Thanks.